Mind is a beautiful servant, but a dangerous master. Good morning, everyone. Welcome again in your online chemistry class. Your chemistry class will get start at 9:30 a.m. Delhi. First of all, we discuss about homework question. Homework question. Question first was write name and formula of any one alcohol and one ketone which gives haloform reaction. Solution: alcohol is ethanol, C2H5OH or ethyl alcohol, and ketone is propanone or acetone, CS3CO, CS3, maybe butane 2-on. Now, second question was how can you obtain 2 bromopropane from 1 bromopropane? Very important question for your competition. So, when 1 bromopropane is treated with alcoholic solution of KOH, then propene is formed by dehydrohalogenation. During the reaction, H atoms from beta carbon and halogen atom from alpha carbon are removed. So it is 1 bromopropane treated with alcoholic KOH by dehydrohalogenation, propene is formed. Here H atoms from beta carbon and halogen atoms from alpha carbon are removed. So propene is formed after dehydrohalogenation. And propene reacts with HBr, which is a polar molecule. Then, according to Markovnikov rule, 2 bromopropane is formed. In today class, we are going to discuss next method of preparation of chloroform. So, third method is from chloral hydrate. From chloral hydrate, when chloral hydrate reacts with aqueous NaOH, then pure chloroform is formed. So, it is chloral hydrate molecule treated with aqueous NaOH after hydrolysis. One molecule of water and one molecule of sodium formate are removed, then chloroform is obtained here. Pure chloroform is obtained here. Very important for your board examination. In chloral hydrate, two OH groups are attached on the same carbon atom. Still, it is stable due to intramolecular H bond. Very important, and we have discussed about chloral hydrate stability in our previous class. Now next, fourth method for preparation of chloroform is from CCl4. From CCl4. By partial reduction of CCl4, chloroform is formed. Here, reducing mixture is Fe plus H2O. So, it is carbon tetrachloride. After reduction, I repeat, after reduction CCl4 is converted into chloroform. Here, partial reduction. The process is partial reduction. So, I repeat, by partial reduction of CCl4, chloroform is formed. Here, reducing mixture is Fe plus H2O. Now, next, fifth method and last, by chlorination of methane. Chlorination of methane. It is a industrial method for preparation of chloroform. When methane is treated with excess Cl2 in the presence of sunlight, then methyl chloride, methylene chloride, chloroform, and CCl4 are formed. Treated with Cl2 in presence of sunlight, then methyl chloride is formed. Again, treated with chlorine in presence of sunlight, methylene chloride is formed. And similarly, in this condition, after removing of HCl molecule, chloroform is formed, and after chlorination of chloroform, CCl4 is formed here. During the reaction, ash atoms of methane are continuously replaced by chlorine atom. Chloroform can be separated from mixture of methyl chloride, methylene chloride, chloroform, and CCl4 by fractional distillation. Now, next, physical properties of chloroform. First point, it is a colorless, sweet smelling liquid. Second point, it is readily soluble in ether and alcohol. Third point, it is sparingly soluble in water and heavier than water. Fourth point, its BP is 334 Kelvin. And fifth and last point is, the vapors when in had caused unconsciousness. Now, next point is test for purity of chloroform. Test for purity. Test for purity of chloroform. Impure chloroform gives you white PPT with AgNO3. Very important. I repeat, impure chloroform gives you white PPT with silver nitrate solution because in impure chloroform, HCl gas is formed in presence of air and light. So, when AgNO3 solution is treated with impure solution of chloroform which have HCl gas, then white PPT of AgCl is obtained here after removing of nitric acid. But pure chloroform does not give white PPT with silver nitrate solution. It is so important for your competition, board examination, and practical examination. Now, next, chemical properties of chloroform. First point is oxidation or action of light. When chloroform reacts with air in presence of sunlight, then a poisonous gas, which is known as phosgene, is obtained after oxidation of chloroform. So, it is chloroform molecule when oxidizes in presence of sunlight, then a poisonous gas, which is called phosgene, is formed here after removing of HCl molecule. During this reaction, in presence of light, HCl molecule is removed from chloroform molecule, then dichlorocarbon is formed. Like this, it is chloroform molecule. Halogen have more electronegativity than carbon. So, after removing of one HCl molecule from chloroform in presence of light, then dichlorocarbon is formed. It is known as dichlorocarbon, and after oxidation of dichlorocarbon, phosgene a poisonous gas, is obtained here, so that impure chloroform cannot be used as anesthetic due to formation of phosgene. Very important point. Now next, to prevent chloroform from oxidation, point first, it is stored in closed dark colored bottles completely filled. Therefore, light and air are kept out. Second point, a small amount of 1% ethanol is added to the bottle of chloroform. Ethanol reacts with phosgene that may be formed during storage to non-toxic harmful diethyl carbonate. So, it is phosgene molecule and it is ethanol molecule. Here, after removal of two HCl molecule, diethyl carbonate, which is harmless compound, is obtained. Now we take a question: which gas is formed? Which gas is formed when chloroform is exposed to air? Solution is phosgene. Very important for your board examination. Now next, second, chemical properties of chloroform, that is reduction. That is reduction. When chloroform is reduced by zinc HCl mixture, which is a reducing mixture, then methylene chloride is obtained. So it is chloroform molecule. After partial reduction in presence of zinc HCl, methylene chloride is formed here. And if the reduction is carried out with zinc plus H2O, then methane is formed. Very important. It is a complete reduction in presence of Zn plus H2O, then methane is formed here after removing of 3 HCl molecules. Now next, third reaction, very important for your board examination, reaction with acetone. Reaction with acetone. Acetone is a carbonyl compound which is participate in the reaction, so it is a nucleophilic addition reaction. So come to the point, when chloroform is react with acetone, then after addition reaction, a hypnotic drug which is known as chloritone is formed here. So it is chloroform molecule. In chloroform, it is positive part and it is negative part. So oxygen have more electronegativity than carbon. So oxygen have partial negative charge and carbon has partial positive charge. So CCl4 of chloroform molecule is attached to carbonyl carbon, then chloritone is formed after nucleophilic addition reaction, because in this reaction acetone is participate, so it is known as chloritone, which is hypnotic drug. Now next, a question for homework. Write the IUPAC name of chloritone. I hope you liked this video. Please do share and like in your friend circle. We shall meet again tomorrow 9:30 a.m. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.